Hello. Today we are going to learn to eat our food. Eating helps us grow strong and healthy. Watch me first. Pick up your spoon. Scoop the food. Bring it to your mouth. Chew. Swallow. Look. Try. Eat. Now it's your turn. Pick up your spoon. Scoop the food. Bring it to your mouth. Chew. Swallow. Good job. Pick up. Scoop. Eat. Chew. Swallow. Nice work. Ready? Pick up. Scoop. Eat. Chew. Swallow. Great. Pick up. Scoop. Eat. Chew. Swallow. Super. Excellent. Last one. Pick up. Scoop. Eat. Chew. Swallow. Fantastic. You ate your food 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are amazing at eating by yourself. High five. See you next time. Wave goodbye.